Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We have another question, 2020 paper 1. So we are given this equation and we are asked to find the value of x. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to copy the equation, which is 8 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 16. Okay, so what we need to know about such equations is that when you're given a known power or exponent here, make sure, try by all means to make bases the same. Now when you look at 8 here, this 16 can be changed to a base of 8 and this 8 can be changed to a base of 16, but there is a common base of which 8 and 16 can be changed to. Alright, so 8 is the same as 2 to the power 3. Okay, so we have x minus 1 aside. Then 16 is the same as 2 to the power 4. Now bases are the same, we can simply get the powers. Okay, the powers are 3 open bracket x minus 1 is equal to 4. Then we expand 3 times x is just 3x. 3 multiplied by 1 is negative 3. Negative 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 is equal to 4. Then here you collect the like terms, so have 3x is equal to 4. This negative 3 will be positive 3. Okay, then when you reach here, it will be 3x is equal to 7. When you divide both sides by 3, the value of x will be 3 into 7 is 2 times, or 2 whole number, remainder 1 over 3, and that is the value of x. Okay, that is the value of x. So we've solved this question, which is asking us to find the value of x. Remember, first you change the bases so that they are just the same, of which we've done. We've reduced the 2 to the base of 2. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Okay, it is as simple as this. So when you plug in 7 over 3 where there is x here, you should find 16. Okay, you should find 16. So 7 over 3, if you prove, let's try it here. 8x minus 1, 8x there is 7 over 3 minus 1. Then 7 over 3 here is 8 to the power 4 over 3. 8 to the power 4 over 3. So here, since this is a fractional exponent, we are going to find the cube root of 8. So it will be like this. The cube root of 8 to the power 4. A number, when you multiply itself 3 times and it should give you 8, is 2. It will be 2 to the power 4. Then 2 to the power 4 is just 16, which is this number here. Okay, so you've seen that we've proved that our answer is very correct. Okay, so remember to subscribe and like the video. If you have a question, ask in the comment section below. We are readily available to respond to your question.